we're back to learning Adobe Illustrator in year day 37. Then let's go over the reference point a little bit more, because this works for all transformation operations. For example, here I rotate the green one in center and then the black one on the top left. Same degree, but the positioning then is different because it's a different reference point. Same goes, for example, also for scaling. So if I use width here from the center, this will expand the blue one from the center. So if I make this, let's say 500, it gets expanded to left and right. But if I make this the top left for the red one, this expands to the right hand side. Then press Ctrl Z, I make this the top right. Now it's going to keep that reference point and therefore expand with 2500 to the left. So this reference point is very important. By default, it should be set to center, but sometimes you need to readjust it, especially for these transform operations. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.